How to get beans. How to get beans in Grow a Garden. If you want beans in Grow a Garden, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can get beans in Grow a Garden. So right now, what you wanna do, there is a new beans added into the game, okay? You can actually get beans. This is a new plant and it's pretty much overpowered. It is super overpowered. Sometimes the game actually glitches. Like sometimes you don't even see these hearts, so you can't even like you can't collect anything. If you have favored it, you can't collect it. Wait, I didn't even favorite this one. This one can be stolen. Okay, I have to favorite everything. Anyways, you have to go to the shop, and also guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. What you wanna do is right now is click on this shop and beans, no stock on the beans. You can actually buy them with Robux, okay? You can actually give them, you can buy them with Robux. If you want beans in Grow a Garden, you can get free beans in today's video. Right now into this video, I'll be gifting 2 people beans. 2 people can get some beans today, okay? 2 people can get beans. That is my video. And also we get the bananas. Look at the bananas. Why are they shining though? Like, okay, this is the normal, right? This is the normal one. Anything else is shining. Like we get a whole bamboo farm over here. It's all changing colors as well. This looks kind of cool though. This is kind of cool. Why are okay, the panda is eating though. The panda is eating. He ate it all. He actually ate it all. I wasn't expecting the panda to actually eat everything, but they actually eat everything. Alright, open up right here. Comment down below. Beans. Okay, comment down below beans. Comment down below beans. Comment down below beans if you want beans. I'll be choosing 2 winners for beans. And the other way of getting beans is waiting for the restock. Every 5 minutes there is a tiny chance that the beans will get on stock, and that's how you also can get them, by buying them with coins. And I believe they're gonna cost a lot of money because the pepper seed was already 10 million, I believe, maybe 20 million, I don't remember, but like 10-20 million for the beans. Okay, that's how much money you need for beans. 10-20 million, 50 million, maybe a billion. I'm not really sure, I didn't even look into it, but that's how you can get beans in Grow a Garden. And you can pretty much get easy money by actually just selling cotton. So if you have cotton, you just gotta sell the cotton, and then you can actually get a lot of money, right? Like just get cotton right here, and then you have cotton. You see the cotton right here, and you can just sell it to this guy, and he's gonna give you money right now. So you can actually just sell this, bang, and that's 20 million. Okay, that's 20 million. And that's pretty much how you can get easy money and the beans in Grow a Garden. Make sure you guys comment down below the secret word, and also if you're not already like subscribe, you can do that real quick, otherwise it's not gonna work. Otherwise it simply will not work. I didn't even show you selling the cotton. Anyways, you get the point, okay? You get the point.